For this video, we are comparing two AI-powered tools, Invideo AI and Pictory AI. Both platforms simplify video creation, but each brings something unique to the table. If you're looking for a highly customizable video creation tool, Invideo stands out. So let's dive into how each one can help you create engaging video content. First up, Video AI, a platform designed to make video creation fast, customizable, and also professional. So for the first feature, it has text to video creation. Within Video AI, you can transform text, blog posts, or even articles into engaging videos in just few clicks. So it is great for repurposing content into videos without complex editing. Next, it also has extensive media library. So it includes access to over million stock assets, covering everything from videos and images up to the audio tracks. So this ensures that you have everything you need without relying on external subscription options. Also has customizable editing options. So Invideo AI lets you adjust fonts, colors, animations, and overlays to match your brand's look and feel. So this flexibility gives your videos a professional, cohesive look. So it also has AI-powered scene recommendations. So in Video AI recommends visual transitions and even layouts based on your script, helping you create high-quality videos faster. And while or after you have finished your editing, it also allows you to export your projects in HD, and also has social media optimization. So it is social media friendly formats is highly helpful, and it is also really simple to create your content ready for different social media such as YouTube, TikTok, and also Facebook. So for the summarization of its pros, it has fast text to video creation with AI recommendation scenes or recommended scenes, and it has comprehensive stock media library included at no extra cost, and it has full customization for brand consistency, and it allows you to export in HD, and also has optimized for social media platforms and ideal for professional quality video creation without the complex tools. Now for the cons of it, it has limited advanced AI tools such as transcription, and the premium plan is needed for certain customization options. So now let's take a look at Pictory AI, a tool built around automating and simplifying video creation from various types of content. So in the same with Invideo, Pictory also has its text to video and URL to video feature, as you can see on this part of this section. So Pictory AI can convert text or even URL into a video, automatically summarizing and adding visuals to your content. So this feature is great for creating videos from articles, blog posts, or online content, and also has AI-powered video editor, so you can edit videos through AI-driven features that match visuals to your script, allowing you to create a cohesive video without heavy editing work. And this also has AI power or image to video and PPT to video editors. So this allows you to create videos from images and PowerPoint presentations, making it ideal for users who want to turn visual content into video format quickly. And when you edit, it also has automatic subtitles and voiceover options. It includes AI-generated voiceover options and automatic subtitling, ensuring your videos are accessible for viewers who prefer captions. So now for the social media and short form optimizations. So this platform is designed for short-term content with a focus on creating social media friendly videos that can be shared across multiple platforms. So you have here landscape format, you have portrait, and also square. So this is highly helpful if you want to upload your videos in different social media platforms. Now to summarize the pros of Video A or Pictory AI, it has again easy text to video and URL to video conversion for quick content repurposing, and it has a AI powered editor with auto generated visuals and scenes, as you can see here on the bottom part of my screen. It has supports or it supports converting images and PPTs into videos and has auto subtitle and text to speech for accessibility and perfect for short-term social media oriented videos. Now, for the cons of it, it has limited customization for brand specific elements. It has smaller media library compared to InVideos and lacks advanced control over visual effects and transitions. So, now, which tool is the best one for you? InVideo is perfect for creating customized high quality videos with plenty of design control. It's a great option for anyone looking to produce professional and brand focused content across social media platforms, and Pictory AI is ideal for repurposing existing content and automating video creation from various sources like text, URLs, also images, and even presentations. So it is suited for quick social media friendly videos with minimal setup. Both InVideo and Pictory AI are valuable tools, but if you are ready to create polished, customizable videos, InVideo AI is an excellent choice, and you can sign up for a InVideo account with the link below and get started today. So that is it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.